Oh, a daddy long
Love
one.
2.2.
I love this because I was literally not paying attention until the end.
Fucking damn it, dude. Come on. Let's be my hardest.
I was
least you
literally
could do
packing
is
a
pay
bowl for
attention.
that whole attempt, bro. I was literally packing a bowl for the whole attempt absent-mindedly, and then as soon as I snap back into reality, I hear the end. I'm like, wait a minute. I look down, and there's like no. I'm like, oh fuck.